In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the slide cart in Shopify Sense theme. A slide cart, also called a cart drawer or slide-out cart, lets shoppers add items and see their cart in a side panel without leaving the page. It's a smoother, more modern experience, but in the Sense theme, it depends on which version you're using. Start by opening your Shopify admin, then go to Online Store, choose Themes, and click Customize on the theme you're editing. This takes you into the theme editor. In the editor, look for the theme settings icon, usually a small gear in the corner. Open it and scan for a cart or cart settings panel. Different versions may label things slightly differently, so take a moment to browse. If you see an option called Cart Type, you're in the right place. Within Cart Type, check the available choices. If Drawer appears as an option, select it instead of Cart Page or Pop-up Notification. Choosing Drawer tells the theme to display a slide-out cart rather than redirecting customers to a separate cart page. When you've made the change, save your settings. Now it's time to test. In the theme preview, add a product to your cart or click the cart icon in the header. If the slide-out panel appears from the side instead of taking you to a dedicated cart page, you're good to go. It's a good idea to test both desktop and mobile views to make sure the drawer behaves as expected across devices. If you're customizing a draft theme, remember to preview the correct theme and publish changes when you're ready for shoppers to see them. Here's the reality with Sense. Many users find that the cart type setting simply isn't there. Some versions of the Sense theme don't include a built-in cart drawer toggle in theme settings. If you don't see the cart panel or a cart type dropdown, your theme likely doesn't offer the drawer natively. When that happens, the straightforward path is to add a slide cart using a Shopify app. The Shopify App Store includes apps specifically designed to add a cart drawer to themes that don't have one. Pick a reputable option, make sure it notes compatibility with Online Store 2.0 and the Sense theme, and follow the app's setup guide. Always preview changes before publishing so you can verify the drawer opens, updates quantities correctly, and works smoothly with your cart icon and product forms. That's it. If your Sense version has the built-in toggle, enable Drawer and test. If it doesn't, add the functionality with a dedicated app and confirm it works across devices.